Welcome back to Global Knowledge Factory. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more amazing videos. Which year is called the year of sorrow? A. 9th Nabwi, B. 13th Nabwi, C. 8th Nabwi, D. 10th Nabwi. Answer is D. 10th Nabwi. Which is the name of the camel which the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was riding in the migration of Medina? A. Buldul, B. Anza, C. Kaswa, D. Zulfikar. Answer is C. Kaswa. What was the significant event of 27th Rajab of 11th year of the prophethood? A. Migration, B. Miraj, C. Boycott, D. Pledge of Aqaba. Answer is B. Miraj. Where did Muslims take refuge near the Makkah in the 7th year of prophethood? A. Shibi Abi Talib, B. Ghar-e Sor, C. Ghar-e Far, D. Plain of Arafat. Answer is A. Shibi Abi Talib. When did the event of the social boycott of Banu Hashim take place? A. 8th year of Nabwi, B. 5th year of Nabwi, C. 6th year of Nabwi, D. 7th year of Nabwi. Answer is D. 7th year of Nabwi. When did Hazrat Hamza Razillah Ta'ala Anhu embrace Islam? A. 5th Nabwi, B. 6th Nabwi, C. 7th Nabwi, D. 4th Nabwi. Answer is A. 5th Nabwi. Name the person whose house became the center of the preaching of Islam. A. Hazrat Abu Bakr Razillah Ta'ala Anhu, B. Hazrat Daman Razillah Ta'ala Anhu, C. Hazrat Arqam Razillah Ta'ala Anhu, D. Hazrat Talha Razillah Ta'ala Anhu. Answer is C. Hazrat Arqam Razillah Ta'ala Anhu. Who was the father of Hazrat Khadija's Razillah Ta'ala Anha? A. Qasa, B. Khuwailid, C. Qaidar, D. None of these. Answer is B. Khuwailid. Hazrat Khadija Razillah Ta'ala Anha belongs to which tribe? B. Banu Umayya, C. Banu Ad, D. Banu Hashim, A. Banu Asad. Answer is A. Banu Asad. Name the first ambassador of the Islamic State who was martyred in the way. A. Hazrat Saad bin Man Razillah Ta'ala Anhu, B. Hazrat Mahaja Mola Umar Razillah Ta'ala Anhu, सी हज़रत हारिस बिन उमैर रज़ियल्लाहु तआला अन्हो, डी हज़रत ज़ैद बिन हारिस रज़ियल्लाहु तआला अन्हो। आंसर इज सी हज़रत हारिस बिन उमैर रज़ियल्लाहु तआला अन्हो। Which of the following has been called Jade Akbar's by Holy Prophet, peace be upon him? A. Against the devil. B. Against the visible enemy. C. Against himself. D. None of above. Answer is C. Against himself. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was poisoned by a Jewish hostess at the time of A. Ghazwa Uhud, B. Conquest of Khyber, C. Ghazwa Badr, D. Ghazwa Hunain. Answer is B. Conquest of Khyber. Who was the first one to recite the Holy Quran openly in Makkah? A. Hazrat Umar Razillah Tala Anho, B. Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit Razillah Tala Anho, C. Hazrat Abdullah bin Masood Razillah Tala Anho, D. Hazrat Usman Razillah Tala Anho. Answer is C. Hazrat Abdullah bin Masood Razillah Tala Anho. Who was the first Islamic commando? A. Hazrat Tatha bin Abdullah Razillah Tala Anho, C. Hazrat Haram bin Malan Razillah Tala Anho, B. Hazrat Salman bin Alaku Razillah Tala Anho, D. Hazrat Saad bin Maaz Razillah Tala Anho. Answer is B. Hazrat Salman bin Alaku Razillah Tala Anho. Thanks for watching and wait for the next video.